Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Aves Ali Lako, a student of Business Administration, Shabilati University, Khairpur. Today I am going to tell you about freelancing, what are the basics of freelancing, and what skills are required, and how you can learn these skills, and which are the top most trending websites of freelancing market. So before starting that, I am going to tell you giving you a short intro about freelancing. The act of performing one's work outside of the chain of command and SOPs is known as freelancing. So get we got the definition here, but what does it mean? Means what is the chain of command and SOPs? So chain of command is usually usually these are the instructions that are given by the top management to the last of the employee of that organization or corporation, and standard operating procedures that how you should operate this work or how you should complete this work and task and etc. But in the freelancing market, freelancer doesn't require these type of things. In the freelancing market, you are the person of yourself and you are the manager of yourself. Whenever you want to earn, you can, and whenever you want to do work, you can. There is no time limit. There is no any boss there. You are the boss of yourself. So how you can earn, what skills are required, and how you can learn skills. So for Pakistani people, DGskills.pk is the best platform ever in the history of Pakistan, that is sponsored by Ministry of Information Technology and Telecom by Government of Pakistan, with Virtual University that is executing this project, and Ignite. So this DigiSkills.pk is offering some of the best courses here that are free of cost. You have to pay nothing at all. These short courses of 12 weeks are offered here, and you can learn easily whatever skills you want to learn. So the first one is freelancing, that is given by Sir Sham Server. If you want deep knowledge about freelancing, then go through it. And number second is graphic design. Graphic designing means visual artist who usually like make the Photoshop or do the Photoshop work on the Adobe and Illustrator and many other Adobe tools. Number third is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means how you can make your website on the top most searches in the Google or in the search engine of whichever it is, either it is the Bing. There are many search engines: Yahoo search engine, Google search engine, Bing search engine, Ask Me search engine. So search engine optimization usually make the websites in the topmost searches available. Number fourth is QuickBooks, in which I am mastered and I am doing my work in the freelancing market. QuickBooks is a tool in which you can perform many transactions of a single business, or at a time you can make many accounts of businesses, and you can easily work the accounting procedures, accounting cycles, or taxation system of any business, either it is small scale business or large scale business. Number fifth is digital marketing. Then how you can market your products and services digitally means through online platforms electronically. Number sixth is digital literacy. What is digitalization in this global world? It is given by the virtual university team. Number seventh is creative writing. It's how you can create your content that is more creative than others. Content writing, or you can say it is creative writing. Number seven is AutoCAD. AutoCAD, that is related with the architecture, persons who make maps and other things of buildings and new types of designs of buildings. Then e-commerce management, that how you can manage your business electronically, or how you can do transactions or trade electronically, and how you can manage this business. And last one, WordPress. WordPress is the top trending website or tool for making HTML websites and programming and CSS using CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and many other languages of HTML and web developers. So these courses are totally free. Currently, batch 8 is going on, and they are going just to be started. The batch 9, the enrollments are open from January 1st, 2021. If you are not enrolled in this, so please get enrolled yourself and get some skills that will help you in the freelancing market. The courses are on the first come, first serve basis. So if you are going to enroll yourself first, then you will get admitted first and you have to pay nothing at all. So these courses works with some videos that are uploaded on the account of the person or the trainee, and each week there are about 10 to 15 videos and you have to watch them carefully and 100%. And after these videos and each week you have to complete your section, then you will move forward time per time. You will be given some quizzes. There are total 4 quizzes and there are some exercises also, and the exercises are 2, the number of 4. So when you will complete your course, you will be certified. Definitely they will give you certificate that you are now a skillful person. Once you have learned the skills, you can go through these websites. I have taken some 5 websites that are currently most trending websites for web freelancers. One is People Per Hour, as you can see on your screen. Number second is Freelancer. Number third is Upwork. Number fourth is Guru. And number fifth is Fiverr. So these websites are usually for freelancers and the persons who want to hire freelancers. So basically this works with two persons. One is the freelancer and the second one, the person who want to get his work done within some specific time. So for today, this is it. Inshallah, with next video, we will start it to sign up of People Per Hour, that how you can make an account on People Per Hour. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.